Yours is going in and out. I'm sorry. I didn't mean for it to be messed up. You reminded me I have to eat my soup a little. What do you do if you want a divorce? Uh-oh. Is it broken? Uh-oh. It's back? Okay, imagine... Ah! I saw it end and start. Hi. I saw it end and start. It like ended and started. Okay. Imagine imagine it freaked out while I was doing Elden Ring. And I had all the people coming from the mod. That shit would be so broken. That would be so broken. That would be like it would explode. I'm glad we didn't do that. Because, oh my god. Oh my gosh. They're trying to communicate through Elden Ring. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Elden Ring of Death, true. Absolute chaos. Oh. It is gonna be like, I'm just saying, it's gonna be super chaotic when we play, and it's probably gonna like break a few times, but I just want to try it. And if it's really that bad, I'll try to do the smaller mod, but I want to at least try it, you know what I mean? Like at least try it a little bit, and then we'll see. Would be nice, but I want everybody to have like a fair shake of getting to play. Yeah. I don't know if I should like do it as like a members thing, but I'll be having like all members content this week, so I don't know. Something to think about. I don't know. But it will be funny though. Yeah. I want to try it. Okay. I will try it like publicly first. But then if it's like too much, then I'll do like it as members. Can we use our 300-hour save for a fresh start? I think it like I'm pretty sure your like super powerful characters aren't gonna be super powerful because of the amount of people anyway. So, will you raid bosses with everyone or will you activate PvP? I'll try both, but I want to do bosses first. Yeah. The mod uses a separate save system. Have to restart. Oh, you can port it. You have to progress with me. Oh, then you have to progress. I think my stream is messed up again. I don't know. The enemies scale the number of players. I don't know what's going on. Little hiccup. Maybe somebody's playing with my wires. It died, but it fixed. Okay, good. Okay, good. I'm glad. I don't know. Thank you guys for spending time with me too. I'm sorry I didn't do the regular stream tonight. I still feel a little sicky, but I feel better when I talk, but how do I explain? My like throat and like my face feels hot. That reminds me. The other day, my face was like super hot and red, and I felt like I was super feverish. I wonder if my body's trying to fight it. I don't know. That's crazy. I wonder. You have a thermometer? I actually do have a thermometer. Yeah, I do. I do sound better than when I started. I did the fake blush to look like I'm sick because I think it's so cute when anime characters look sick with the blush. Menopause. Hey! Shut up! Shut the fuck up! Damn! Yeah. I hope I'm not getting really sick because, I don't know. Rectal thermometer. Oh, that would be so fun. No. I remember my mom told me, when I was younger, like, if I didn't take, like, because I used to think medication was yucky. So she was like, if you don't take this medicine, I'm gonna have to shove the thermometer up your ass. And I was like, that's how I would take the medicine. I don't want that. Like, so I took that medicine real fast. Your mom said that too. Oh. I mean, that's cracking the code. It is. My mom says the same. My mom still says that. That's what you're telling me? Your mom still says that to you. If you're sick and you don't take your medicine, your mom, you at the age of like 36 years old, your mom says, I'm gonna shove this in your ass if you don't eat your medicine. I did an under armpit dry, and it was embarrassing. No, that doesn't work. You're supposed to feel the forehead or your tummy. My mom would always feel my tummy too. Yeah. My mom always said that she could tell when I'm sick because I always get this like look on my face. That's what she said. She says she could see it in my eyes. She says my eye color looks like lighter than usual. I think that's a complete lie. However, every single time she said that, she was right. She was right. Because she could tell when I was faking it sometimes. So, I don't know. I don't know. I think sick people have an aura. I don't know. I think maybe they have a stink. I don't know. She got that sixth sense. Yeah. I don't know. I was considered sick only when I threw up kinda sane, but it depends. When I was a kid, I really wanted to go to school. I remember I was sick on my first day of, I think it was kindergarten or preschool. I was sick my first day, and I wanted to go to school so bad because I was like, I want to meet the new kids, I want to meet the other kids. And I was like so excited. And I was really sick, and I remember my mom was calling like, she can't come in, she's sick, and I was like jumping on the bed. I was like, I'm okay! I'm jumping on the bed! In the background of the phone. I was like, I want to go to school! I'm okay! And I was like trying to jump on the bed, and she was getting so pissed. I used to love school. I was like your average like little kid like that loved school. I used to always bring an apple to the teacher and stuff. Yeah. But then I started hating school in middle school. So yeah. Yeah. That's the cutest thing you ever said. Well, I thought that because they always say like teachers like eat apples and stuff, so I thought that was true. You know? And that's why there's like there's like many, I think there's 3 pictures of me on my first day of school, and I have an apple. So, yeah. Yeah. I cried and tried to run from the bus on the first day of kindergarten. I loved elementary school, and I liked preschool, but I got like a little bit bullied in preschool. I think I was too, how do I explain it? I think I was too like cutesy and happy. So like I got a little bit bullied. I mean, I think I'm kind of the same. I guess I haven't changed much. I got bullied because, well, it was in a way, I was naive. I was very naive. But, we had to do this project where we had to make, like, we had to, like, do this finger paint thing. And like, there were 2 girls next to me, and they're like, you gotta paint all over your hands. And then I did that, and I got in trouble for painting all over my hands, because they told me to, and they were like, haha. They thought it was so funny. That's what I remember, because I remember my mom freaked the fuck out. That's what. Kids are so mean. I was so naive. You got so owned. Oh, you got owned, kid. You got so owned. Well, I didn't follow the directions of the thing. I was like painting on my hands. So yeah. My mom like would freak out at stuff, which is why I was like scared to tell her some things sometimes. They were wolves. Yeah. I got totally destroyed. I was like a really stupid, like nice girl. I was a little shy, but I used to hug everybody that I could. That was my thing. They always used to go, "Ah, oh, she's a hugger." Yeah. Nothing's changed. I mean, oh, you were a nice girl. But I mean, I still hug people when I meet them, but people find it to be weird now, I guess. So that's why I don't do it. But like, if I'm meeting like people's family for the first time, I'm like, oh, like, come give me a hug and stuff. So I don't know, but I think it's nice. Yeah. I try to sometimes, but it's kind of weird. Well, I don't know. Even like I was meeting like some of my sisters, like what is it? My sister's like fiance's family and stuff, and I would just hug them. I didn't know them, but like I hug them. Yeah, that's what you do. My mom said she hated Take Banner because I'd introduce myself to everyone. Aw, that's cute. Yeah. Do they ever comment on your perfumes? Do they say you smell good? I get told I smell good sometimes. I went to this store the other day, and the guy goes, "Oh, you smell like your perfume smells good." So I guess, yeah. I'm trying to hug more because I don't hug anymore, and I think that's bad. We gotta hug people. Bring back the hug. You know what? You know what that 50 Cent, I think it's 50 Cent song, "In the Club." It says, "Bottle full of love, so come give me a hug." Like, we gotta bring that back. That wasn't funny. That's what he meant. Bottle full of love, so come give me a hug. Minus 2! Hey! Bill! You was onto something. Shut up. Hey! No tomato! I don't know. Touch star 50 Cent. 50 Cent if he was touch starved. No, but hugging people is good. Shawty, come give me a hug. We in the club. Yeah. This is just like that time Peter Griffin would be like, this is just like that time I hugged 50 Cent in the club. Okay. Alright. That's, yep. Yep. We gotta move on. We gotta move on. We gotta be honest that those Family Guy jokes brought a lot of the humor that we use today. Okay. That, we gotta be real. We gotta be real and honest. I told you guys about when my sister filmed the TV. She took a camera and filmed Family Guy on the TV, right? That's my favorite. I think about that all the time. I literally think about that all the time. I gotta text her about that. She's gonna be like, shut up. Hey, don't bring that up. She was clipping it. I made YouTube compilations of my favorite Family Guy clips like that. Oh my god, she stole it. She stole the Family Guy. Ask her if she has the video still. We might have it. We might have it, actually, somewhere. It's so funny to think about. It is insanely crazy to think my sister is kind of just as weird as me. That is insanely crazy. Did it look like Family Guy in the Hood, kinda? Yeah, it did. That was so funny. It is possible. My sister's weird, okay? My sister's weird too. She is. She's weird like me. I don't know. I'm a little bit weird, but she's weird too. She's weird without understanding she's weird. Okay, she is a normie, but she's weird. Okay, she's pretty weird. I'm shocked you didn't get in trouble for Family Guy in the Hood. Why? I'm not the one saying anything, okay? I'm not the one saying anything. I know somebody in my marshmallow got mad about Family Guy in the Hood, but I mean, I'm not the one saying it. Grow up. She sounds weirder than you, but we only got your side of the story. Yeah. Yeah, somebody was like, I think it's kind of inappropriate. Like, some of the videos were played were inappropriate. Dude, you can look it up on YouTube. If it's on YouTube, it's not inappropriate. No, I just delete them after, or I, like, block the people. Because I know they're not saying that in good faith. I think they're being a fucking idiot. But, like, like, if you can look that up on YouTube and it's, come on, man. Come on. I don't get it. I got, like, some of the videos you watched were a little inappropriate. And I was like, I don't know, like, I think you gotta be careful with the things people say on it. It's like, come on, man. Let's go, like, come on. Grow up. There are some rough things on YouTube. I wasn't watching them. I was watching a kid recording Family Guy and pretending they were saying bad things. Oh no. Sue me. Yeah. You gotta think of the brand. To be fair, I do have to think of the brand. But, like, I don't know. I think the video where the lady sings and birds are down has a little yabai. It's not! They were fine after. They were completely fine. And apparently the room was fine. It was just a wire, like, exploded and they were fine. That was the idea. How do you think they could put the video up if it was... Yes. That video was insane. That was... Yeah, Story of Undertale. That video was crazy. That was like actual, like, somebody intervened. That was kind of yikes. Come on, man. Like, watch along when. You're sinister. I don't like things like that. I don't like to see people, like, truly, like, actually getting hurt or things like that. I don't know. I think, like, it makes me sad. Not I think, but, like, it does. It kind of makes me sad, like, thinking about that sort of thing. Boo. Man, that's flicked up. Yeah. That's why I think I was talking with Hades on that Hades thing about, like, the Reddit 50/50. And I could never go on that because I don't really want to, like, force myself to see those things. I don't know. I don't know. I'd rather see, like, dumb shit for the most part. I'd rather see kind of stupid stuff. I don't know. I didn't know people really did that. Kind of spooky. Think of the views you get, so true. It's all for the clout, though. If I did things purely for the clout, it's so easy for certain things. It's so easy. I have so many ideas. Literally, I did that stupid, I branded it as just like mommy stream with pregnancy AI art, and it was pretty, like, whatever. I did pretty well. It'd be so easy. People like big shock thing every time. Yeah. What about those 90s skate vids? I sometimes can't watch certain things. Like, it kind of like, ugh. But I know they're, like, brutal. Like, I don't know. The mommy stream was hilarious. I'm glad. I need to do another thing like that. It was wild how people got angry over the weird... I don't really understand that, because I know it looked like shit. What's my next big shock? I should do another mommy stream. I should. That's my next thing. Next order of business. Mommy stream part 2. And it's even like, it's like a realistic, like, it's like a realistic version of me. Like a realistic looking face AI, like scary. Pregnant granny stream next? Oh, no. Okay, now you're talking. A mommy creepypasta. I have pregnancy AI that I generated during the mommy stream too. I found it last week after forgetting about it. It's not bad. Now what do you mean? I posted on Torta Thursday. If you got that pregnancy, you gotta do hashtag Torta Thursday. you gotta hashtag Torta Thursday that one. I thought that was funny. I don't know. Okay, this Thursday bet. That's on you. You might get in a little bit of trouble though. You might get in a little bit of trouble. They might come after you, tell you to pick up a pencil. That was so funny to me. That's a very funny thing to say. Pick up the pencil. No, don't start that. Don't start that. Don't start that stuff. But seriously, if you're gonna like post like the AI stuff, don't post it in my regular tags. I don't. That needs to be an AI tag. I don't really care about that. I don't consider that to be art. Okay, I'm just gonna tell you that much. It's Coni Confet AI. Don't put that shit in my real tags. I'm gonna be mad. There's a new White Claw flavor. Oh, let's go. Life is good. Life is good, and life is good. Green apple White Claw. I have to change my personality real quick. White Claw isn't a flavor, no. White Claw is for, like... White Claw is like the... It's like... I don't know how to explain it. It's like a light alcohol drink. That's it. It's not an energy drink. I was gonna say, it's like for women who like IPA. Like it's the IPA of women, I guess. Like for women. Does that make sense? Like, I don't know. It is an alcoholic. Like in I don't know. Is that a compliment or an insult? I don't know, because apparently IPAs are good, but like, you know, it's like the type of like, see, this is like kind of a different alternative to it, okay? Like, I'm like having like a different healthy version, okay? Like, it's that kind of thing. They're not that good. White Claws are fine. They're fine. Yeah. What's that one alcohol? Zaza? I don't think that's alcohol. You have to drink the new... you have to drink the energy drink called Pussy. That's real, by the way. It actually tastes very good. What Zaza? Zaza is ganja. Yeah, there's an energy drink called Pussy. Yep. That is real. And I've had it before. I've had it before. It doesn't taste like... It tastes like white grape juice. It tastes... I don't know. It tastes like white grape juice in a way. Yeah. Now we know. Can't drink that. I'm waiting until marriage. Shut up. So you'd say that you like... okay. Now who's gonna try to make you talked about your today. You talked about the pussy energy drink. Okay. Wait till marriage. Is there a drink called Cock and Balls? And then there's like a harder version of it called Torture. There's like the harder version or like the spicy version called Torture. Like to finish it off. There you go. You got your whole Zoomer marketing done. Easy. Coke and Balls. So you can make that. There's an energy drink called Balls. And you can add Coke to it. And then you have Coke and Balls. There you go. If I had an energy drink, what flavor would I want to be? Cherry lime, to be honest. But for me, I would be like a sherbet flavor with how I look. But I like cherry lime, like the red, white, and blue pops. Yeah. I like the red, white, and blue pops. There's a soda brand called Cock and Bull. Enough. I like the GG cherry. I like cherry lime. Clown themed energy drink. I would like to get a flavor. What a silly topic we're on. We are silly people. We are the silly people. What's that thing where they put brown sugar on the glass? I don't know. I never had an alcohol drink where they do that stuff. I don't know what you do. I also don't understand alcohol drinks where you got stuff to eat in it. Like they put like olives and stuff. Like, I don't get that. What's that about? I thought they're supposed to be like a tasty drink, not like a food. I don't get it. It's weird. Is there like normal juice versions of these? I wish there were normal juice versions of energy drinks, to be honest. Those drinks are so you feel fancy. There's cockroach tequila. Apparently there's a worm in one of them. I don't know. I also don't like Bloody Marys. I tried, okay. When I was younger, I tried a little bit of a, not an actual Bloody Mary, but like the mix of like the tomatoey stuff, and I was like, bleh! And I still can't imagine having it. Have you tried smoked drinks? No. No. How do people drink that stuff? I don't like the tomato juice either. I don't understand it. It's weird. You asked if the tequila's a worm yet. What the heck? Would you drink a clamato? No. No. And I don't know what a smoked drink is. Yeah. I like, I think my favorite alcohol stuff is, like coffee alcohol is really good. It's just a nice taste. I sometimes don't like drink things for like, to get buzz or something. Like sometimes they have like this, I like the, winey taste in like, sauces and stuff too. It's kind of nice. It's like a deeper flavor. It's good. I like coffee alcoholic stuff. It's good. Yeah. I don't know. I prefer the fruity sweet drink. Fruity sweet drinks are good. I don't know how people like a beer. I don't like beer. My stepsister had unlimited espresso martinis at her wedding. It's so much fun, but yeah. Espresso martinis are like some of my favorites. I don't drink buzz. No. I'm not talking about buzz balls. I'm talking about like, what's it called? You can, it starts with an S, but it's like an Irish, not Irish whiskey type of thing, but I put it on ice cream before. They have, a strawberry flavor. Let me check the method. Let me look it up. Oh, Baileys. I love Baileys, but I just like the flavor. Baileys. I like a Baileys. Kahlua is good too. But Baileys on like ice cream is actually quite good. They have a strawberries and cream flavor, and it's actually pretty good. It's not for like the alcohol. It's just like a deeper flavor to that stuff. It's pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, it's like a dessert drink. It's not to get like even if you drink a whole bottle of Baileys, I doubt you're gonna get drunk. But it's like if you put a little bit on ice cream, it's quite good. Yeah. It's nice. Rum chata is too much though. Yeah. Caroline's is better, don't tell. Baileys on ice cream is alright. You also get a tummy ache. I kind of like the deeper flavor to it sometimes. Kind of nice. I used to drink, when I first had the ability to drink, like, alcohol, I didn't really understand it. So I bought, like, a Baileys. I bought a Baileys, and I was like, why am I not getting drunk? I, like, would drink, like, a little glass of it, and I'm like, why am I not getting drunk? I'd be like, I thought this was alcohol at first. Because I wanted like the... Okay, listen. The bottle looked cute. And I like the taste. I'm like, hey, what the heck? So, yeah. Don't drink more after this stream. If you do it, be responsible. Alcohol kind of sucks, if I'm being honest. And it also, I don't know, it's kind of will hurt your tongue. Don't. The only thing I know how to order is Jack and Coke. It is not cracked up to what people say it is. Like, I feel like people acting like it's such a cool thing are such liars, because it's really not that good. It's not fun, it's not really good, it's just whatever. It's a little disappointing, not gonna lie, it's not that great. Yeah. It's not that good. I think, what was I gonna say? It's hard to think sometimes. Expensive, empty calories. That's kind of the thing too. It makes you fat. Makes you fat. You won't even know. Makes you fat. Instead, what I think you should do is learn how to make your own fun drinks at home that are not alcoholic. And I have some grenadines, and I take like a... I'm just replacing the sugars, but I get like a Sprite Zero, and I'll add like a little bit of like grenadine in it, like some grenadines and stuff, and I'll add like some like lemonade or something. I'm just adding the sugar back in, I swear, and I'll make like a nice drink like that. Yeah. Literally just liquid sugar. Yeah, Sprite Zero, and then you add in the sugar. So you take your Sprite Zero, then you just pour in some sugar real quick. Oh, it says 0 calories though. Why am I getting weight? What the hell? But it says 0. Why am I getting weight? Oh, let me put in some more grenadine. I think that'll fix it. Oh my god. Yeah. Or, honestly, the best thing ever, fresh lime with any sort of, like, soda beverage is really freaking good. Like, fresh lime. Specifically lime, not lemon. Lime is, like, just better. I don't know. I don't know what it is about lime. I freaking love lime. I love lime-flavored stuff. I used to hate it, too. I want soda beverage. Lime plus soda. It's crazy. You might as well mix Mountain Dew with Powerade. True. I love fresh lime. Have you tried hot Dr. Pepper? I don't think so. Not that I recall. You've never tasted a lime? Well, you gotta. You gotta try a lime. At least one time in your life. No! No hot Dr. Pepper. Hot Dr. Pepper is ass. What would you know? How would you know what ass is like? That's a little weird. Maybe I'll try hot Dr. Pepper. Well. Buddy, it's 2024. How do you know that? Well. Shut up. It's a long story. I like those digital Coke machines. Soda sucks, water gang for life. We get it. Soda bad, we get it. Anyway, when you go to a restaurant, do you order milk too? Come on. Get with the times. Yeah. There's water and soda. We got a hydrator in here. We got a hydrator in here. Order a milkshake. Wouldn't you like to know, water boy? I think that's Weather Boy's the original. Come on, pig. I can't believe Come On Pig has just become a thing because I played that thing. Oh, the first thing I did when I collabed with Zumi and I forgot everybody else in the collab was I sent the Come On Pig video to them. Yeah, and they didn't respond for a sec. I think I said that, but yeah, that was cool. That was awesome. That was cool. Zumi Navi Poco. Yeah. So many good quotes from that one. That game was freaked up. Sorry. I tried to cover. I tried to get away. They wouldn't get it. Ugh, you wouldn't get it. Wouldn't you like to know, Weather Boy? You send them your VOD? No, the actual video. I'm dying. No, I'm dying. No, I'm having a lot of fun with everybody. You guys are making me laugh too much. You guys are making me go to the hospital now. You guys are making me laugh too much. That reminds me, Moses today. I was watching Moses stream, and she like she like had to sneeze for a sec, and she like did this thing, and she's like, like she did this voice. No, she did this voice. She like had to sneeze. She's like, like that. She didn't mean to. And that like killed me. Oh yeah, she like, she said, latte, my nose, like that. I was sitting there, I was like, it killed me. It actually killed me. Oh my god. I don't know why, like, she doesn't even realize she does those voices, and it's so funny. Oh, it kills me. Oh, okay. So oh my god, whatever. I'm talking about Mojo, but for people that didn't see, she was playing this really old game. Okay, there was this really old game that was discovered from this artist. It was an artist that made the game. Okay, and he like made a bunch of art projects, but he actually dedicated to an entire game when it was like kind of, I believe, difficult to make those games. And so the game was really hard to find, and they only found it on a Yahoo Japan auction site for like 10K, like the last copy, because there was only like, I think like, I don't even know, like 100 copies sold or something crazy. So yeah, it was a really special game. I saw a video about it first. Yeah. But the game itself isn't like, it's a little unique, but it's the story behind it, yeah. It was like 10K to buy the copy. Yeah, it wasn't even translated at the time. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, the video. That's how I found out about it too. What was it about? It was about milky milk. It was about women's milk. Well, Mosey Rich. Oh, come on, let's get real, okay? Let's get real. You know how she played it, okay? Let's get real, alright? Milky fuel. She goes, milky fuel. It like kills me when she like it like kills me. Oh, my stream's gonna die. I think it's dying. My stream's gonna die. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap this up. Bye-bye. I hope you hear this before I go. Bye-bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Because it's dying. I'm gonna go. It's just breaking. Fine. Thank you guys so much. Okay, chotamate. I had so much fun with everybody. You guys make me laugh too hard. Thank you so much. Mwah. I really appreciate it. It's always so fun. We'll try to play Elden Ring tomorrow. But thank you so much for everything. Sorry I'm a little sick. I hope I don't get worse, but I just feel a little sick. But thank you so much for spending time with me. I really appreciate it. Mwah. Bye-bye. Have a nice night, okay? Bye-bye.